Shark is one of the best and most trusted vacuum cleaner brands on the market, known for their superior technology and powerful suction power that makes cleaning effortless and efficient. It's worth investing a little more in a Shark, rather than settling for another disappointing, low-quality vacuum cleaner that won't last long. Whether you need a lightweight option for quick touch-ups or a heavy-duty model for deep cleaning, I've reviewed the 5 best Shark vacuums for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video before we get started. Let's dive in and find the perfect Shark vacuum for your home. Number 5. PowerDetect Pro. If you want a lightweight vacuum cleaner, this is the one for you. Due to its lightweight design, the vacuum cleaner has a smaller dust container capacity of approximately 330 milliliters. One of the key features that sets the vacuum cleaner apart from its predecessors is its 4 deep cleaning technologies. When in automatic mode, each deep cleaning setting senses and reacts to the vacuum cleaner's surroundings, tracking and sucking up all kinds of debris. It features a self-cleaning brush roll that collects large debris, fine dust, pet hair, and dust around the edges. The LED display shows battery status by displaying the amount of charge you have left. The floor nozzle with a single self-cleaning brush roll has an LED light strip to illuminate any debris in the cleaner's path. HEPA filtration technology ensures that what is vacuumed doesn't leak back into the environment. It claims a runtime of 40 minutes on low power, which is slightly below average. Number 4. Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. If you're looking for a model specifically for your carpets, this is the vacuum for you. It scored full marks in carpet deep cleaning tests. The dust container is a generous size, which means fewer trips to the trash can when cleaning. CleanSense IQ technology detects debris and boosts suction when needed, making short work of big messes while reducing suction and battery usage when it's not needed. Its ability to suck up large piles of debris on hard floors is top-notch. The patented Duo Clean nozzle provides exceptional debris pickup on both hard floors and carpets without the need for height adjustments. The 2 brush roll system penetrates deep into carpets, penetrates hard floors, and picks up dirt, debris, and hair with each pass. You can clean for an hour without needing to recharge the battery. A compact, simple, and easy-to-see LED display tells you what you need to know, such as the power setting currently being used and remaining battery life. When cleaning, you can reach under chairs and other furniture without having to crouch down. Captures and traps more than 99.9% of dust, allergens, and odors, preventing them from entering the air you breathe. Number 3. Shark PowerDetect Cordless. This model from Shark has the highest suction power of their cordless vacuums. PowerDetect technology automatically detects surface types, edges, and corners, and adjusts power when more debris is detected, ensuring optimum cleaning efficiency. Direction. Detect technology increases cleaning speed by allowing the vacuum to pick up debris in both forward and reverse motions. One of the most impressive aspects of this vacuum cleaner is the battery life. It lasts 70 minutes in eco mode. It takes 4 hours to fully charge the battery. The vacuum's flexible head makes it easy to clean under furniture. Odor neutralization. Technology protects against bad odors inside the vacuum to help freshen up your home. Shark's Duo Clean Detect head features 2 brush rolls for all floors and ultra-powerful hair pickup. Number 2. Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum. If you're looking for something for deep cleaning or have particularly furry or messy pets, this model is for you. The lift-away feature allows you to remove the hopper and access difficult places and stairs more easily. Its swivel nozzle allows it to make incredibly tight turns and overcome tough obstacles to reach tough areas and tight corners. Featuring both a closed system and a HEPA filter, this vacuum cleaner is a solid choice for families with pets, allergy sufferers, etc. It has ultra-strong suction power and the best hair collection performance of all Shark vacuums. The self-cleaning brush roll powerfully collects pet hair without tangling the hair. It has a 30-foot cord. Number 1. Shark PowerDetect Upright Vacuum. Perfect for picking up all kinds of debris and hair on both hard floors and carpets. The front roller acts like a hair magnet, powered by Shark's active hair removal system, arguably the best system on the market. The ultrasonic sensor determines the type of floor and automatically adjusts suction power and brush roll speed. When dirtier areas are detected, a light turns on and the vacuum automatically increases suction power for better performance. The lift-away feature allows you to remove the hopper and carry it with you with the hose and wand for above-floor cleaning jobs. Includes anti-allergen full seal technology, trapping 99.99% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Impressive maneuverability thanks to the swivel steering wheel. Does not feel heavy during use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and write your favorite in the comments. See you in the next video.